Starbucks.
Nostalgia, featuring DJ 007, DJ Benvo, and Kurt Riley. Fireworks, 12 midnight sharp. That's Nostalgia, the premium retro experience. March 31, Swap Motor Show Area, Tollgate, Clarendon. Must be 18 years or older to drink. Drink responsibly.
Shopcoins.com. From anywhere, anytime, you can shop online. Shopcoins got the best furniture and appliances. Free delivery style and wine. Shopcoins.com. Convenient, shop convenient. From any device, shopcoins.com.
This Easter Monday, April 2, make it Appleton Estate Tan Line, the ultra all-inclusive day soiree at Hard Rock Cafe, Montego Bay. Treat your taste buds with Italian, Greek, and Jamaican dishes at our mega food court. Enjoy shaken, blended, and mixed cocktails with our hassle-free bars and waitress services. Sunset mixes by DJ Sekou, Parsley Hype, DJ Jigga, DJ Crazy Meal. Admission 5,000 pre-sale, 6,000 at the gate, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Appleton Estate Tan Line. Must be 18 years in order to drink. ID required. Drink responsibly.
For the latest fashion and stylish shoes, come to Payless.
Fashion, style,
Customer service and the widest selections, come to Payless.
style, variety.
The BOGO sale is at Payless. Don't miss it. Everybody loves Payless. Buy one item, get a second one of equal or lesser value at half price. No exclusions. Valid from March 27th to April 9, 2018. Restrictions apply. See store for details. Magnum Yin Yang Fridays! All white edition! Friday, March 30 with guest DJ Antsman, resident DJs, Game Changers, and Dirty Data. Live performances sponsored by Ranish Entertainment and Magnum. Must be 18 years old to drink. Please drink responsibly.
Breaking news! The Ultimate Flag Festival is back at the Emancipation Park Car Rooftop this Thursday, March 29th. Music by DJ Richie Ras, DJ Nico King Taj, and DJ Map. 2,000 at the gate and 2 for 1 ladies until 11 p.m. Free souls are still still valid. Rep your flag with your team. Flag Fest.
This events in association with Heineken invites you to Colored Sexy Friday, March 30th on the lawns of the Hague Industrial Estate, King Pepper Falmouth Trelawney. Admission 1,500 pre-sale, 2,500 at the gate. VIP 3,500 pre-sale, 4,500 at the gate. All inclusive. Get your tickets in Falmouth. Words to go, Pepper's Jerk Center and Fiat Lux Boutique, Mobay, Posh Dim Collection, El Paso and Pier 1 Gift Shop. Sponsors Creative Events, Heineken and Eden Sauces and Condiments. Colored Sexy. Must be 18 years and older to drink. Drink Heineken responsibly. ID required. Heineken, open your world.
Backyard Promotions in association with Dragon Star presents Backyard. Best of the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s music every last Friday starting March the 30th. Kaluga Parking Lot, Old Harbor, featuring Arif Cooper, CJ Ice, Crazy Chris. Admission $500. Free Dragon and bucket deals all night. Backyard. ID required. Must be 18 and older to drink. Drink responsibly.
Clarendon Colour Festival meets All Harbour Colour Festival. Sunday, April 1, 2018 at Portisco Sports Complex, All Harbour. Get ready.
Struggling minds. DJ Rush, DJ Ali, Ricky Renz, Johnny Brown from Mama's Boy, DJ Lemmy, DJ Larry. Admission 15 lunch and a free zone, 2,000 at the gate. Starting 6 o'clock, finish 12 o'clock. Sponsored by Russia T20, Overdose, VIP event.
Tickets outlet, Russell City 20, Sunny Fashion, Maypen, Benson Pharmacy, Old Harbour, and Genesis Pharmacy, Portmore. Must be 18 and older. Drink responsibly.
This is the ever hot lady, ever hot man. It's all about Anderson British link up. I don't know if it's a fresh edition. What third y'all Saturday 31st March 2K18 at the Caribbean Queen, 3B4 Royal Street. Music by Stone Loud, boom boom exclusive. Hosted by Dawn and Terrific, young and sexy. I am Kamala Latoon. Admission $2,000. Cabanas available. Sponsored by Hennessy, WCW Firm Financial, BW Haulage and Hardware. Must be 18 years or older to drink. Drink responsibly.
Hennessy Yellow and White 12th-year anniversary, Tuesday, April 3 on the Caribbean Queen, 3B Port Royal Street. Music by Brooke Bowman, Harry Hunt, Violin, Idol Marvelous, and Abadaba, Dirty Sound, and